In this video, I'll show you how to easily convert an image to a PDF file for free. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Over here is the image I want to convert to a PDF. And the first step is to go over to your browser. Click on it. Then go to the search bar and search for Google Docs. When it opens, you click on the Google Docs link to open it. Then you click on blank documents. When the Google Docs is now open, you can now drag this image from your desktop into the Google Docs file. Now your image is ready to be converted and exported as a PDF file. Now to export this image as a PDF file, kindly click on the File menu at the top left corner of the screen. Then move over to Download. Click on it. Then this sub-menu will appear. Then you go over to PDF document and tap on it. Once you do this, it starts downloading over here. When it is done downloading, click on the file here to open it and view your image as a PDF file.